So I'm standing here with my favorite animal, the black panther, and the reason it is my favorite animal is because it is silent and deadly. Now, the problem that I see with a lot of people in the world these days is that they are so focused on what I call the anti-panther. They're focused on making a lot of noise and not being focused on the one thing that matters on their phone, taking a picture of, their favorite yogurt that they ate today, or how many followers or likes or subscribers they have, and being very anti-panther-like. Now, what I am focused on in my business, like the panther, is I try to do things without making a lot of noise. And my goal, the one thing I'm focused on, is to sell better than anyone. In any business that you are starting, you have to, in order to make money, you have to offer a product or a service to someone else and receive money in exchange for that. So this has been my focus, and I'm going to give you access to a training where I'm going to show you how you can sell and market your products better than anyone out there, and how you can create an online business around it like some of my students have. Now, this is Tyler Ellison right now, and if you can zoom in on, this was his earnings last year from starting a marketing business around how I taught him to, which is $1.4 million. Here's Brian Pfeiffer. He's the big guy right here. Earned millions of dollars last year, used to be a limo driver. Here's Ronnie Sandlin, used to be a customer service agent, also made millions of dollars last year as a student of mine who went through the free training that you can sign up for if you go to the link above or below this video. Now, I've been featured in Forbes. I've been written about in Entrepreneur, Inc. magazine, Fast Company, ABC, Fox News, etc. And my marketing methods are beyond comparison, and I'm putting on a 2-hour training. I usually charge $10,000 per hour for consulting, but you will be able to attend this training for completely free today and learn the methodologies of what you need to do to sell or market your products better than anyone online and create a business around that. Keep rolling. Yep. Now, I'll be showing you how you can get a piece of a pie of a $12 billion industry called affiliate marketing. Marketers are currently earning and being paid out commission checks to their bank accounts of $32,800,000 per day. And I'll be showing you how you can get a piece of that. And again, but this will force you to change a part of yourself. You must learn, like the Black Panther, to be silent and deadly and focused like the panther. Spending time on your phones and spending time worried about likes or subscribers or attention is something you will need to change about yourself in order to tap into this massive amount of wealth that is available if you want to start your own business. Now, what is in the training is I will be showing you the 3-step business model of affiliate marketing and how you can get started earning money today doing it. I'll also be going over a live demonstration of this business in action. I'll show you what I do on a daily basis, or not on a daily basis, but on a weekly or monthly basis to start earning my commission checks, and also be showing you the 7 mistakes that home business owners make when getting started in this business model. Click the link above or below this training to learn how you can tap into this massive industry and start earning money from home, working on your computer for yourself.